Hey, this is Ray with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. Today we're out on the Monaco from Godfrey Marine, and I'm about to give you my 3 big things that we love about this boat. Now, the best place to start on this boat is at the helm. We love the Simrad touchscreen that gives you all your key information. Plus, the multi-function gauges on each side really help dial in this boat. We love the look. Plus, of course, this is where the Fusion stereo is. Just a lot of great features right here at your fingertips. Now, the second thing we'd like to highlight here is this massive swim deck. Plenty of room just to have a lot of fun back here. Of course, the stainless cage here, perfect for towing tubes or whatever else you want. And we've always loved that curved boarding ladder. Just makes it easy to get back on board. And finally, we've got to talk about the comfort. Good news is these seats are as comfortable as they look. We love the texture, just the feel, unbelievable. If you're wondering why the sound system sounds as well with this Fusion stereo, the speakers are even angled. Just those little added touches, including the electric bimini, just a lot of really cool features on this boat that we really like. Of course, this is just a sneak peek. For the full details, be sure to check out our Shootout Boat Test issue. And for other videos, check back to pdbmagazine.com. Thanks for watching.